In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy Genshin Impact Gift Cards in 2025. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process straightforward and easy to follow, whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone new to purchasing gift cards online. So let's get started. To begin, we'll navigate to the MTC Game website, where you can find a variety of options to recharge your Genshin Impact wallet. Simply open your preferred web browser and head to the MTC Game website dedicated to Genshin Impact purchases. Here you'll find an array of buying options for Genesis crystals, which are a key in-game currency, along with other gift card choices that Genshin fans will appreciate. Once on the site, you'll need to locate the gift cards section. This can usually be found prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated solely to gift cards, specifically tailored for gaming enthusiasts like yourself. Next, within the gift cards section, look for the Razer Gold gift cards. Razer Gold is a virtual credit system that gamers use for in-game purchases, and in this context, it's perfect for buying Genshin Impact goodies. Click on the Razer Gold gift card option to proceed. Now that you're ready to make a selection, the next step is to choose the country where you intend to use the gift card. This is important because the availability and specifics of the gift cards can vary depending on your geographic location. Once you've selected your country, it will ensure that the gift card is valid and usable in your region. After confirming your country, it's time to choose the amount you wish to purchase. Designate the specific amount you'd like to spend and then click on the Buy button to proceed. Keep in mind that setting a budget beforehand can help manage your spending effectively. At this point, you may be asked to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Creating an account will allow you to keep track of your purchases and ensure future transactions are smooth. With your purchase in progress, it's essential to navigate to the razorgold.com website. This is where you'll redeem the gift card you've just purchased. Familiarize yourself with the Razer Gold portal if it's your first time here. It's pretty straightforward. Finally, within the Razer Gold website, you'll need to select your payment method. Use the Razer Gold payment option, which is specifically applicable to the Genshin Impact gift cards. This will finalize your purchase and allow you to use the gift card for your in-game purchases. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully purchase a Genshin Impact gift card and enhance your gaming experience with ease. Enjoy your new in-game items, and happy gaming!